Welcome back to another episode of the Crypto Serpent, and wow, we have at the time of making this video, not publishing the video, but making this video, we've broken out of the $1.47. We're sitting at $1.54 as I come on air, and wow, could we see $2 just around the corner? Let's talk about what is happening, what the charts are telling us, and let's get through that first. And if you do like the videos, hit the like and subscribe button. Now, I've mentioned, and I wanted to mention again about the Ripple on-demand liquidity. And that is something that is very, very important. If you're going to come now onto Ripple, if you haven't heard of Ripple before, or you're just starting to hear about Ripple, or you're seeing everyone who's an XRP holder talk about Ripple all of a sudden, and all these haters now, they don't hate anymore on XRP. I want you to know that XRP is built by a company called Ripple. So when we say Ripple, Ripple has created XRP. So don't get the two confused. There isn't a Ripple token, it's XRP token. But if you go on their website and go into the instant liquidity page, you can actually see what they're doing, what they're enabling, and how banks and organizations all over the world use the Ripple instant liquidity method. And so why I'm telling you is that you're going to see some amazing things occur with XRP over the next couple of weeks. But if I tell you this now, plus you do your own research, then hopefully you don't sell at $2 or even $3, because you could be, I don't know if you guys saw that video of the guy next to his screen saying, oh my God, Bitcoin just hit $100 for the $100.10 for the first time. It's an all-time high. You're going to be that guy. You're going to be like, oh wow, I bought XRP at 50 cents. I sold the $3. Wow, I made this much X, and then XRP goes to like $100. Don't be that guy, but do your own research. And that's the only way you're not going to become that guy. So don't become that guy. Let's get right into it. What's going on right now? So on the 4-hour chart, it's screaming bullish. And so thanks to French XRP holder for publishing this right now. That was what was happening prior to now the push to 154 and beyond. And so these kind of formations are bullish signals ready to take off, and it did. It went straight to 158, and it's now consolidated on 154 at the time of making it. So breakout, consolidate, breakout, and that is very bullish. So what you're seeing on the screen right now, that is bullish. And so very exciting. And again, like, this was all ready for you guys, and then within a couple of minutes it was all out the window, because we've already broken out. But this is the main reason why we've broken out, is because it is a bullish formation. So I like what Crypto Bull 2020 said here, and he's saying about how big the last couple of runs were, and if we replicate the same, this is what is likely to happen. So I like this analogy, and I like where he's going with this. So he's saying that April we could finish at $2.42, in May $7.25, and by June we could hit $40. Now I don't know about you, but if you like the idea of a $40 XRP, let me know in the comments below. I certainly would not mind XRP at $40. I mean, it was only a week and a half ago that it was at 48 cents. But very, very interesting, and it's always very fascinating to look at charts and to look at previous things and to try and get a feel. We are in a different world right now. It's not the same as back then in 2018, but sometimes it does leave clues. And I did say that this week we're going to break the previous all-time high, and I still am of the exact same opinion, and that is very, very exciting. So a little volume, a little volatility around the triangle sign that a bull run will go on. So what I'm saying here is that this here and what was happening here was very, very bullish as far as what was happening there. And now we're ready for the next level. And of course, like we've already broken out. So what's going on TradingView? So TradingView are telling us that it's still a great time to buy and a great time to get in based on the fundamentals and the analytics. And so this is what's happening right now. So we've just hit the O on this chart. I'll just zoom in over there. So we've just gone to $1.50. The next step in this bull bull phase is $1.80 or $1.75, $1.80, $2.10, and then $2.20. So that would be 163% increase from 80 cents. So, you know, we look at the Fibonacci, that's what we're looking at, and regardless of a SEC or no SEC. The other scenarios, because as always, I do want to mention to you everything. I don't just want to mention to you what appears to be good or what, you know, fairy tales. There are a couple of scenarios, and now obviously we are pushing up, and a consolidation will be coming at some stage. There always is. They're always healthy, but potentially we could see a consolidation happening. You know, we go back down to like maybe $1.40, $1.50 before we go up. So we would, from here, because we've broken out of this, we're going to push up and maybe push to 2, and then come back down to this new resistance and this new support, $1.30, $1.20. Now, if we do come back to $1.20, please buy, get in. I'm not a financial advisor, it's not financial advice, but if we hit $2, drop back to $1.20, get in. This is your last chance. Your chance to get in at under $1 is probably gone, I have to say, based on I cannot see XRP coming back to under $1. But if it were to come back to under $1, then definitely pack a lot of bags. All right, so where do we go from here? 3 options. Option number 1, we go to 150. Well, that's already gone. We've already broken past that. Next stop, 226, and then next stop after that, $4. That is the formation, that is the pattern that we're following, and we got to follow the trend. So don't try and beat the trend. Don't try and shorten XRP now. You would be insane. Don't try and beat the trend. The trend is your friend. Follow the trend. And another scenario that could play over here, we could see XRP potentially hit that $1.60, retrace back down to $1.15 before we push to $2. So again, if we do have a retrace, it won't be lower than $1. It will be your last opportunity at these prices before we go $2 and beyond. So if you haven't jumped on board yet, this could play out really well for you. However, with all the sentiment, with all the technicals, with all the fundamentals, let's see how we go. But I want to let you know, because, you know, if you feel, oh wow, you know, at these prices it seems a bit expensive to get in, it won't be expensive when it hits $4, $5, $10. So if you've already made up your mind that you are going to get some XRP, wait for this retrace that could potentially be coming. But when it hits that $1.30, $1.20, I would personally get some. But how exciting, super exciting to bring this to you at a time when, as I'm making this right now, the chart was sitting at $1.54. Let's see where we are right now. So $1.55 at the end of this video. Again, thank you all so much. I cannot wait to see by the time this video goes live where we're at and what that looks like. But you know, it's really exciting, you know, to see this and what's happening and everything that's going on in the XRP community. If you do like XRP, what's your strategy with XRP? Comment below. I will always love to hear where you guys, and also I want to know where you guys are from, because let me tell you, Spacesuit is ready. We're ready for the moon, but guess what? We're going to be traveling, and I do want to see you guys one day. So thank you all so much. If you did learn something new, hit the like and subscribe button. Look forward to see you on the next one.